Alright, Christmas ham. Now I wasn't going to do a Christmas ham video, but I've had so many messages from you all requesting we do a Christmas ham video, so here we are. And before we get stuck into it, make sure you've subscribed to our channel because we've got a heap of cool videos coming out over the holidays and I don't want you to miss out on them. So we'll waste no more time and we'll get stuck into it. Alright, so we've got a nice pre-made ham here. We've just picked this one up locally. They've done all the hard work for you. If you want to go and make your own ham from scratch, then go ahead and do that. But today's going to be more about the preparation and how you're going to serve it on Christmas Day. So we're going to go through how you take the skin off, and then we're going to score the fat underneath, and we're going to put a clove in each diamond. Cloves will just give it a bit more sweetness, and they look good as well. And then we're going to go through the Weber setup. We're going to give it a nice glaze at the end, and we're basically just going to be reheating it. It's safe to eat as it is, but we're just going to bring it up to a nice hot eating temperature and go through it from there. So we'll get stuck into it. All right, so we're going to flip our ham over, and we're just going to run our knife underneath the skin, and it's pretty easy. You can just peel it back from here. And we're done. So now we're just going to store it. Right, so we're done putting our cloves in our ham. It's looking nice and pretty. Weber's set up ready to go. Just got one charcoal basket because this is only a small ham. If you're looking to do a longer smoke because you've got a bigger ham, I'd suggest using the snake method. So we're gonna run the pit at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius. I'm not gonna stress too much about it because like I said, we're pretty much just reheating the ham. So we're gonna get the ham on, we're gonna let it go for a few hours, and then we're gonna check it when it gets to about 135 degrees Fahrenheit internal or 57-ish degrees Celsius. That's a nice hot eating temperature. Like I said, it's safe to eat at any stage. We're just reheating it. Then once we get to that internal target temperature, we're going to give it a few coats in our glaze. Just going to be using the glaze that we used on our pork rib video. It goes really good with ham as well, and it gives it a really nice color. So we'll waste no more time, get away from these flies, and get our ham in the Weber. Alright, so it's been about 3 hours now. Our ham is looking incredible and we're just about at our target temperature. So I've just put our glaze on to start heating up. Like I said, if you wanted to use the glaze, I'll link it to the end of the video. It goes absolutely perfect with ham as well as the pork ribs that we used it on last time. So while we're waiting for that to heat up, I want to know what you've got planned for Christmas Day. Are you doing the cooking? Are you going to someone else's house? If you are doing the cooking, what have you got planned? Are you going to have a crack at a ham? Or are you going to do a pork roast or something else? Let us know in the comments below. Alright, so our glaze is ready. It's heated up nicely. So now we'll just give our ham a baste and then we'll leave it for 10 minutes to set. And then we'll repeat that process another maybe 1 or 2 times until we're really happy with that colour and the glaze is set nicely. And then we'll get it out, slice it and serve it up. Alright, so the ham has been glazed twice. It's set for 10 minutes now, so it's time to get it out, slice it and serve it. Alright, so we're all done. This looks and smells amazing. So we'll have a quick taste now. Taking some of the cloves out so we can get in there and have a taste because you don't want to eat the cloves. Oh man, that is unbelievable. That is going to impress your guests on Christmas Day, so make sure you give it a crack. If you do, let us know what you think, and I hope you all have a safe, fun, good and Merry Christmas. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because like I said, we've got heaps of good videos coming out over the holidays and I don't want you to miss out on them. So thanks again for watching and we'll see you next time. Cheers.